to see if things have been okay. I'm busy right now, but we should meet up soon. I've so much to do, life is so pokey. I'm still busy now, but I should be caught up soon. Finally done with work now, damn what a day. No more shit to do, can log out of Zoom. I got it all done, well hooray for me. Guess I'm number one and they'll let me be. Wait, no, what's that email? Oh God, why'd they do that? Please no, I was so close, dear God, let me go. Got filmed of it, eating like shit. Worked so hard to barely pay my rent. Got filmed of it, I'm done with it. Worked so hard, you can all get bent. Sorry for that outburst, I got carried away. I really do feel the worst, let's just get on with it. It shouldn't take that much, I'm sure that we've got this. If we work hard, we'll be done so fast. Wait, no, what's that email? Oh God, why'd they do that? Please no, I was so close, dear God, let me go. Got filmed of it, eating like shit. Worked so hard to barely pay my rent. Got filmed of it, I'm done with it. Worked so hard, you can all get bent. What's that email? Oh God, why'd they do that? Please no, I was so close, dear God, let me go. Got filmed of it, eating like shit. Worked so hard to barely pay my rent. Got filmed of it, I'm done with it. Worked so hard, you can all get bent. Got filmed of it, eating like shit. Worked so hard to barely pay my rent. Got filmed of it, I'm done with it. Worked so hard, you can all get bent.